Cytecare has been proudly associated with Cancon since its inception in 2017. We've had annual conferences that brought specialists from world over and defined consensus guidelines in a variety of areas. This year too, we are back with a bang to have a transoral laser surgery workshop that will be conducted in online and offline modes, bringing together a variety of leading specialists world over and also sharing how laser technology can improve patient experience and clinical outcomes.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Akshay Kutpaje. I am a head and neck surgeon working in Cytecare Cancer Hospital, Bangalore. As a head and neck surgeon, we deal in a very sensitive part in the human body. Any treatment of this region significantly affects daily functions such as eating, drinking, speaking, being socially acceptable and so on. So there has been significant advancement in surgery, that is involvement of technology in surgery, and transoral laser surgery is one surgical advances to get the best outcomes, not only in terms of oncological but also in functional outcomes. Transoral laser surgery is not routinely being taught in training during our specialization in ENT or head and neck surgery. To fill that gap, we are conducting a conference of application of laser in head and neck surgery. So this will happen at Cytecare Cancer Hospital on the July 18th and 19th. So we have got eminent international and national faculties who will be participating in this meeting. The conference is planned as a 2-day event. The day 1 of this event will have live surgery in the morning. So we have planned about 4 cases of vocal cord lesions and cancers which benefit from transoral laser surgery. On the second half of day 1, we will have didactic lectures covering all aspects of evaluation, surgical management and post-op care as well as rehabilitation. The day 2 will have hands-on course of transoral laser surgery as well as flexible endoscopy of the upper aerodigestive tract. In hands-on, we have designed some unique models in which the sheep or a pig larynx will be mounted, and the participants will get an opportunity to get the hands-on feel of using the lasers on these unique animal models. The second half has some brilliant speakers from across the globe who will deliver lectures related to transoral laser surgery application, specifically in relation to the larynx. We look forward to see you guys in this meeting. Thank you.